Rapido gives companies the opportunity to tap into the gigantic ecosystem of relationships and partnerships the university has, particularly being located in the center of Sydney and surrounded by so many startups, SMEs and large companies around here.
In the Faculty of Engineering and IT, we've got about 200 researchers from mechatronics to civil to software, data analytics and others.
When you have a company who comes to a university with a need for new technologies and innovation, for a new product or a vision for a new service, they typically engage with academics. If you look at commercial R&D companies, the way they translate their research to practice, to their products, actually involves quite a few skills which are not typically available in universities. So Rapido is about making those skills available to help our academics translate their research to the products or innovative visions our partners have.
One of our partners, they came to us to run a project around IoT, the Internet of Things. One of the key things they said about Rapido is that the large value for them is they could do the hardware, the mechatronics and the software all in one place. And on top of that, we are leading expertise in all those domains.
Usually we find that the clients come to us for a few different reasons. They are too busy in their day-to-day operations to conduct short, quick, fast, innovative activities. Some others are more interested in the translation of research to products. So they find Rapido is going to give them a team with commercial grade experience who can deliver something with quality in a very agile manner. We form dedicated teams with people from Rapido and from the academia together. We also assign a project delivery manager who's going to be really in charge and responsible for the execution. What we think is important is to give our external partners a single point of contact throughout the project.
When you're working with a commercial customer, you're always working to a price point, and that can be quite challenging. And I think there may be opportunities down the track with that sort of thing that we could develop new technologies. Because we've got this close relationship with this person that's in the real world manufacturing stuff, we've got the opportunity to see early on what the problems are that they face and perhaps try and solve them for them.
So at the moment we cover areas such as Internet of Things, IoT, general telecommunication, 5G, but also computer vision, data analytics, and also we have a new pole of expertise around 3D geometry processing and 3D scanning, 3D printing, and finally we really want to put a strong focus on Industry 4.0 technologies, also in collaboration with the new proto space we are building.
Since 2009, I'm the project leader and the main core developer of the MeshLab project. MeshLab is an open source software that is devoted for the geometry processing of very large 3D models. We have more than 3 million downloads all around the world, using it in really challenging environments.
IP is actually rarely an issue in discussions for Rapido projects. UTS has a very flexible approach to IP. We work on a case-per-case basis, but very often we realize that having a flexible approach to IP greatly facilitates the translation of research to practice. So if you're a company and you want to create a new differentiation for your business, you can come to UTS and tap into our academic experts and Rapido together to not only access the state-of-the-art technology, but also have a team that will provide the hardware and the software support for your product.